Okay, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to add Klarna to stream. So here's a simple step and guide for you to do that. So log into your stream dashboard at dashboard.stream.com. Then from the left-hand menu, click on settings. Then under payment, select payment method and scroll down to buy now. Or you can also click the pay later option, depends on how you want it. Then find Klarna in the list and click turn on. Review Klarna's terms and show your business location and currency are supported. So once you confirm that, click save or enable to activate Klarna. So Klarna will now appear as a payment option or for your customers at checkpoint. And Klarna is now available in supported countries and currency, so make sure your stream account meets the eligibility. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.